Odias and Odias. And my heartfelt gratitude to my excellent team members. I would like to share that I joined very late, but it's an amazing team. Within 2 minutes, they just narrated, described, and explained everything, the context here. And I was also equally participative. So it was brilliant. Thank you, Munir sir and Shima sir, for this brilliant team actually. Thank you so much. I would like to thank my team Dave, Kore, Preet, and Suvindu. And so here I just want to make one point that we crafted ideas and then we developed it. We identified strengths as, so I was telling that how you identified strengths. Before I joined, yes, the exercise was done, but I also emphasized that what's your strength, what would you like to take and why. So this strength analysis helped us, framing the right roles and coming up and presenting and negotiating. And yes, we derived in a correct manner. Another thing I would like to tell about Shimai sir and specifically to Shimai sir, that we always till when I teach, so till one time actually I earn. And it's my responsibility to give it back to society at one point of time, which is doing athlete. And following his footsteps, I can see Sumitra and Saudamini also doing the same thing. I not only learned from this platform, now I am giving back. The beauty of life is just inculcating meaning. So today at this platform, we also all came here to get something meaningful. So meaning is probably the purpose that we actually searching. Shrimasa has already got the purpose. So giving back to society is the best and the ultimate job satisfaction that I would like to say. Even if Nilsa was telling that now he is staying in a rural place, doesn't matter. That's what is he resonate meaning. So giving back to society is such a beautiful and amazing thing. And thanks to all of you for disseminating knowledge this way and making me a participant today and of course a winner. Thank you so much.